Hey guys, today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. They actually sent me this for review purpose. It just landed on my door and I filmed this like so freaking fast because my son is actually taking a nap. He just got home from school, so I did this really quick look for you guys. And let's go ahead and jump into the bags. The first one I'm going to open is the Glam bag. So this is their, I want to say $12. I think that the price might be going up. If it is, I will try to have more information down below. But this is the little bag. As soon as I saw this, I don't know why I automatically thought about Clueless and like back to school. I don't know, but I thought it was super cute. It's very like fall trend. And the first thing in here is the Girl Lactic Glow on the Go. I did try this on in the try on portion, and this is in the color Jet Setter. So it's a crayon form. It's actually the highlight that I have on right here, and it's a very subtle highlight, so it's buildable, which is nice, but even building it up, it's not like beaming in your face. It's a very beautiful everyday kind of highlight, and I really like the glow that it gives my cheeks. Next up in here is actually what I have on my lips. I actually have two lip glosses on because this by itself, you're gonna see it in the try on portion, it's very sheer. This is by Nabla, and this is the Shine Theory lip gloss. This is in the shade Renaissance, and it's just a very sheer lip gloss. So I went ahead and paired it with a Maybelline one just to give a little bit more color to my lips, but it's basically sheer with gold glitters in it. It's very beautiful, but I think I would use it more as a topper. And then the other two products that I have in here is this little H2O gel cleanser. So I've never tried anything from this brand, so we'll see how I like this. And then the other thing is the Bad Gal Bang mascara. And I don't know if I'm going to open this because some of these Benefit mascaras, they have very big spikes on them, and that just really irritates my eyes, sadly. So I'm not really fond of their mascaras. And there was only 4 products in here, but 2 of them are full size and then 2 are deluxe sizes. So I think that that's why there's only 4 in the Glam bag. Then as far as the Glam bag plus, this is the little baggie, super cute as well, same theme going on. And basically what the card says is like work, school, life. So kind of like balancing everything, going back to school, going back to life, going back to work. I feel like all of us can relate to that right now because we're all going back into that mode. And the first thing in here is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. To be honest, I've tried some of these and they don't really work for me. I have really thin hair and a lot of times these things feel gritty on them, so I think I might skip on that. Next thing in here are some sheet masks, which I absolutely love. These are just so relaxing and really nice, and I just love them. My son thinks they're hilarious when I wear them, but they're really nice. And this is from the brand E-Nature. So this one is a watery one, and then the other one is a restore one. The next thing in here is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. This is a hydrating facial spray, and it actually smells really nice. It smells like roses, just a really cute little bottle. I think I might put this in my purse just to like be a little spray on the go. Really nice hydration to it. I didn't show it in the try on portion, but I actually before doing my foundation, I sprayed some on, and it's really nice. Next up is the Murad Acne Control. This is the Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. I don't really have an issue with acne, so I think I'm gonna give this to a coworker. I know quite a few people that are really reacting to wearing masks and getting a lot of maskne. So I think that somebody in like at work could benefit more from this than I could, just because I don't really get that many breakouts. But that one, the brand Murad is actually really great and really nice. Next up is the 111 Skin or 111 Skin. This is very pricey skincare, and this is the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. I actually already own this, if I'm not mistaken. It's super hydrating. Let me see. I'm almost sure that I do own this. Yeah, I do own this, but this is really nice. It just gives a lot of hydration to the skin, and not that I would really purchase it myself because like I said, it's super pricey, but it's always nice when it comes in a subscription. And then the last thing has got to be the thing that I fell in love with is the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad. This is called The Real Deal, and this is absolutely, okay, it's super dirty now, but the packaging is so bougie and nice. The only thing is that it does get dirty super fast, but you can feel like a weight to this, and it's a quad and it has a really nice mirror. The shades in here are like butter. The quality of these are superb. I was shocked. It's actually what I have on my lids, and you'll see in the try on portion, but these are absolutely just freaking stunning and amazing. So I'm gonna jump into the try on portion so you guys can see the look that I did and trying on a few of the products. For the try on portion, we're gonna just try on 3 of the things. First up is the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad. This looks so freaking high end. Look how gorgeous this looks. Okay, I already have fingerprints all over it, but the packaging is just so high end and like heavy. And we're just gonna do a very simple neutral look with this. I'm going to use this mid-tone color all over the crease, this one on the outer edge, this the inner corner, and this all over the lid. Just something very, very simple. And hopefully my son doesn't wake up, so I'll be able to finish filming this. If he does, then I might just have to add this on. And these are super buttery and nice. So I'm gonna do one eye on camera and one off. And then I'm gonna go into this darker shade. And just add just the tiniest bit, just to kind of add some depth out here. And then blend. Okay, and then just using my finger, oh, that is super creamy. I'm gonna go into this shade and apply this all over the lid. Whoa, look at that pigmentation. These are so buttery and nice. I feel like I don't hear enough people talk about Il Makiage, the brand, and I've always been curious about their foundation. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is so buttery and nice. Ooh. And then I'm just taking that same one that I keep going back to this brush to just blend everything back out. Okay, somebody really wants to get a hold of me. If you hear that, it's my phone vibrating. Oh, this is just like a very gorgeous warm eye for fall. I'm gonna add a little bit of that darker shade. And then I'm gonna use that mid-tone one that I use in the crease to really, oh, I love this color for fall. And then the crease color I'm gonna put all through the bottom of the lash line, and let's just pop this gold one on the inner corner. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I'm gonna pop that just like on the inner part of the bottom lash line as well. Gonna use that mid-tone shade from the crease and apply that to the under eye as well. And just kind of connect all of that together. These are so buttery and nice. These blend like a dream. So I will finish the other eye off of camera, but wanted to try this Glow on the Go by Galactic. This is their like stick highlight, and see how I like this. I only have bronzer on, so let me use, okay, that's very subtle. Let's go ahead and build it up a little bit more. Okay, so this one's more of a glow within not so much like a beaming highlight. It's nice if you're more into a more natural looking highlight. Damn, chill. And then the last thing that we're gonna try is this Renaissance lip gloss from Nabla. I have yet to try anything from this brand, so I'm excited. And it just looks like a beautiful, like, golden looking gloss. This looks like it would be a beautiful topper. And it has like that sweet vanilla smell to it. And it's not sticky whatsoever. I might add a lip liner just to complete the look. But that's what it looks like right there. So let me go ahead and finish off the look and come back with my final thoughts on the bags. And that is all for both bags. Let me know which one is your favorite. I'm kind of torn because the Glam bag, I love the fact that it had the lip gloss and the highlighter plus a few skincare things. But then the Il Makiage, this quad really just made me fall in love with it. I am so impressed with their eyeshadows. I've been dying to try their foundation and other products just because their ads like kill me. Every time I see their ads, I'm like, oh my god, I really want to try some of their stuff. Overall, I have to say it is a good month. I feel like they had really good brands in here between the Il Makiage, the Murad, the 111, and then the Nabla and the Girlactic in the Glam bag. So overall, a really great month. Let me know what your choices were if you are subscribed to Ipsy. I'd love to hear from you down below. Let me know what you're looking forward to. Which ones did you love the most? I can't get over this Il Makiage. This is just like perfect, just perfection as far as a quad goes. These are gorgeous and the shades are perfect for fall. Anyways, so that is all. Let me know what your favorites were. If you're not subscribed and you like unboxings and beauty videos, I'd love to have you subscribe down below. Also, I have social media that's bilingual down below as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.